Okay, so this is, I suppose I'm vlogging. I'm actually traveling alone internationally right now. Ang hina ng process ko kasi I'm so shy and people, daling araw kasi guys, so people are literally sleeping and sleeping, but I am young. This brings back a lot of memories for me, to be honest.
We are now live.
No, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. You know, if malamang kambal nila, God will provide. God will provide. God will provide.
Sweet yun. Sige. Ay na.
Oh, what are the lesson?
Subscribe. 1, 2, 3.
Hi vlog! So I was able to freshen up na, nakapag-withdraw na rin ako and I've been through immigration. So now I'm waiting for Jazel, but I do have some errands to run kasi nautusan pa tayo. I'm gonna try to go and look for octopus cards, and also need ko pala i-activate tong eSIM kasi hindi siya mag-activate because something's wrong. So I'm gonna try to look for clock. That's priority right now. Anyway, this is Hong Kong Airport. Ang ganda dito. I'm so amazed by the women's restroom. It is so clean. You can literally do entire makeup there. I love it so much. Philippines catch up, please lang. I'm gonna share this because akala ko talaga totoong McDo, and I was like thinking how the prices were pretty reasonable. Look at it, guys. It's an installation. Na-scam ako. Octopus card secured and also my errands. Naayos ko na din yung eSIM, so that's a good thing. But now, again, I'm still waiting for Jazel. Ay, hindi pa nakita. Anyway, I'm still waiting for Jazel. So I am gonna go and try to find coffee and maybe light food because heavy naman yung kinain ko kanina, but it was like 3 a.m. Other side eh. Ayun o. Ano hinahanap natin ngayon?
Hakde.
Hakday, which is,
Ceramic bowls shop.
yeah. So,
Ano ba tawag doon?
yeah.
Chinaware.
Yeah. So, but it's fine, go. Yes. Yan, nahanap namin sa Bruce Lee. Saan ba yan? Hindi. That's a woman. Anyway, nasa ano kami? Avenue of Stars. We're looking for Bruce Lee. Nakita na ni Jazel. So, we're gonna go to Bruce Lee. It's Bruce Lee. guys. Andito na kami sa Disneyland.
Nasa ano pala?
Sa labas pa lang kami.
Nasa train station.
Yeah.
Disneyland.
But we're getting there. We're gonna go there. See you! Anyway, hi guys! So, we're inside now of the ark. Hanapin na namin yung smaller ark for better photos. And the fountain is there. Over there. Which we're headed. Hindi ko maano, the fountain. Ayun. Tapos nag-up down me.
Ako yung tomo lang yung kita. Ako yung mga
Okay lang yan. Kaya yun i-edit ang pinsan ko. This is for the ASFAM. Ano ba yun?
Oo nga.
This is for the ASFAM. Ayun yung tawag sa fans.
Ay, well.
Sa subscribers namin. ASFAM. It's a very long story there. Update. So, tinamad na kami. Tsaka parang hindi namin nakikita yung sign. So, we're going back. Huh?
Disneyland Resort.
Alam naman na nila yung next letter. It's fine. They'll know.
Resort! Resort! Resort!
Sorry.
Walang T.
Anyway, so yun. We're going back to the main place na lang. Kasi,
Going to the entrance
hmm.
of Disneyland.
Hello, Asfam! So, we are inside Hong Kong Disneyland. Medyo magulo lang siya for right now. I'm vlogging now. Go lang.
Hindi ka masyadong matao today.
Yeah. For a Saturday, that's a good thing.
At this hour. Kasi 12 p.m. na.
Saka makain sila. Oh. Doon yung tao. We're approaching the main street na tawag dito.
Yes.
Ayun, nakikita ko na din yung castle. So, ayun o. It's over there. So, I'm gonna do this. Tada! The arc here. Try natin. Ito naman na. Tomorrowland. okay. Yes. Naubusan ako ng memory. Next time, pag nagpapavlog.
Nakapag dalawang rides na tayo since naubos yung memory niya.
Worth it, worth it.
Been to
Anyway.
Frozen.
2 rides. The roller coaster type one and the nice one. Ano yung isa? Dito tayo.
Something. Oh, shit, miss mo.
Oh. It's okay. Anyway, we just had a very late lunch. Na hindi ko naubos kasi malaki naman yung serving. Masarap pa yung lunch mo.
Yes.
It was she got the Japanese ramen one and I got the pork chop one. Yeah. So next namin is, I don't know, I'll update you later. Bye!
Welcome to the festival of the Lion King! The circle of life.
Now the show can really start, huh? Oh, Timon, look at all these people. I should have had my fur cleaned. Hey guys, quit monkeying around and say hello to all our new friends.
Hey, hey, oh my.
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored. I'll be portraying myself, of course.
King here! I starve with king, and you hyenas are going to help me! I know that's so
We did it!
Okay, hello. So, we just came from the Lion King show. Meron naman akong snippets for the vlog. But now, I'm gonna try the ride there, behind us. It's called, this one, Big Grizzly Mountain. Ayun siya. Yan. Medyo intense siya. 45 minutes waiting time. Okay guys, so nasa pila na ako dito sa Grizzly Mountain. My hair is tied off because I don't know why I'm doing this. But Jason knocked out. Okay lang naman. But why do I do this to myself? But I'm here na and it's for the adventure. And maybe mga bata naman dito. See, tingnan mo. May bata dito tumabi sa akin. Tapos, kaya ko to. Whew. Hyping myself up. Kaya ko to. Ganyan siya guys. Tapos, yung pinanood kasi namin, tatagalog ako para hindi nila kami tindihan, pero pinanood kasi namin, tapos pupunta siya yung padiretso, dun babalik siya, tapos madami siyang pataas. Pakisabi again, bakit ginagawa ko ito mag-isa? Dito kasi ako sa singles time. Guys, pati dito pinakatawanan ko na yung pagiging single. Ayun na sila! Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. See, may bata sa likod ko. Kaya niya to. Kaya ko din naman, diba? Guys, galing ko lang Grizzly Mountain and I survived the ride. I'm so happy for myself. Anyway, dito na kami sa Toyland. Yung pang Toy Story.
Antayin ko umakyat.
Oh my gosh! The drop! the Dumbo ride. And I'm vlogging this time. Kasi medyo safe naman siya.
We're moving.
Eh, kinakontrol mo ba? Oo! Ikaw ba nagkakontrol? So, ikaw talaga?
Oo, ako nga.
Oh my God! Oh, awesome! Baba. Bababa tayo. Uy, hindi ko na ginagalaw! Hindi ko na ginagalaw!
Mas gusto ko taas lang.
Okay. Taas!
Taas lang.
Okay. Ayun, nakikita niyo naman yung buong Disneyland sa likod namin.
Ito yung castle.
Ayun! Dito kami! Sana mahulog yung phone ko. Taas! Uy, baby! Ba't ba tinaas?
Wala akong bacon.
Bababa tayo. Nakataas lahat. Bababa kami soon. Oh my God. Believe in store pa yung nakasulat.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi. Slow lang. Nabahan din ako. Okay.
We did it!
我是叶一光，兄弟，真的有神奇魔法幫手，先講得切啊！
Bye, Disneyland.
Hello vlog! It is the next day and we are in Kowloon Walled City Park. Yup. Yun. Maaraw ngayon but it is cold. So, update na lang kita later kung anong makikita sa loob. Pasok tayo. Parang modern.
What? Without leaving. No, dear.
So we're inside the Kowloon Walled City. Basta parang ito yung remnants. And this are, ano ba yung tawag doon? Parang samples of how the,
I look into how they
Yeah.
live in the city.
yeah. So yung kanina, that was a store. Tapos may nabasa kami na they used to supply 80% of the city's fishball, guys. So ayun, may fishball. So, paggawaan ng fishball. Yan o. 80%. Ayan. May nabasa din kami kanina na ang daming dentist clinics dito. Illegal though. Yeah.
Sino siya illegal? Meron na siya.
I don't think they were meant to be practicing kasi kahit may license sila. Parang ganun. Ayan. Dentist chair. Basta ayun. Madaming dentist clinics doon sa Kowloon that time. Please don't use this as a historical reference. I don't know what I'm talking about. Binasa lang namin.
Ito sa Giban, yan.
Oh,
It's
so
still operating.
this is how it was like before. May plano pa din.
Sikanto lang.
at Victoria Peak. You can see that entire Hong Kong ba to? Basta ayun siya. Uy! Wow! Ay, yun yung building, di ba? So galing kaming taas sa we're at Victoria Peak. We just came doon, somewhere there. But now, we are headed towards the bakehouse here. Because of course, we really have to try. But Drizzle is doing something.
Hindi, ito.
Oo nga. Ano yung wala mo?
Manila eh.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Ayan, yung titingnan namin. London! Hindi siya kasi. Uy! Lapit na. Anyway, peak cam is over there, but we'll get there later. Bake house first. Ano kasi kami? Food critic. Feeling lang. We have high standards when it comes to baked goods. Kasi feeling namin magaling kami. Feeling lang. We have the authority. So yun.
Take out the
Yes. So I'm gonna try the egg tart. This is the egg tart. It's not as sweet as I expected, but it's very eggy. It's better than the other one. You'll find out. It's this small. Ito na yung cell. Yeah. Like, kama. So that is the HSMB bridge. I think, I'm not sure. You have to think about it. Supposedly the longest bridge somewhere. Hello vlog. It is Macau Day and we are already in Macau. Kumuha naman ako ng shots going there, but in some areas bawal din naman kasi yung video recording. So we are headed to Senado Square, where we will first eat kasi gutom na kami. We had no breakfast. And then from there, onting lakad. Anyway, right now, nasa bus kami, the Grand Lisboa 2. Yeah, there. Going there. Free lang naman to.
From ferry terminal.
Yeah, from the Macau Outer Port. Meron naman dun na terminal of buses.
May ate doon.
May ate doon. So, yeah. Okay. Mali guys. Hindi kami sa
Grand
Grand
Lisboa.
Lisboa. Binaba.
Kami sa Sofitel.
Yes. Pero we're gonna look for, ano nga yun?
Wall Chicken.
Mochike.
Noodle restaurant.
Yes. It is recommended by Google AI. So we'll see. Now on our way to the ruins of Saint Paul. Sa San Peter. Pero sorry. Anyway.
Oo nga, gawin pa na iniisip na Peter's Paul.
Letter P kasi. Sorry guys. Anyway. Ano masasabi? Kasi,
Hindi mo bilinag yung card.
oo nga eh. Bamu Bakery. Masarap naman siya. It's $2 cheaper than Bakehouse. But slightly eggier than Bakehouse.
But almost tastes.
Grabe, hiningan ako dun. Hashtag B. The best one so far. Pero, we'll try. Hiningan kami guys. Wait. For context. Ito kasi nilalakad namin noon. We were going up this staircase. Yeah. Ayun yung gusto ko i-try, but never ko ba na-try. Guys, we have arrived. So, at the
Side of the
yeah, the ruins is over there. We're just gonna walk this European style walkway for now. We are here. It's over there. Nalala namin yung retreat place, retreat house. Yeah, namin ng college with the rocks over here. Yung formation niya parang yung sa Calroega.
Very good, Ja. Galing na, nasa taas na tayo, pababa na lang tayo. Di ba kasi hagdan yan?
Oo, very good. Yes. Travel hack. Daanan yung shortcut para hindi kayo makyat ng stairs. Guys, we are now in the ruins of St. Paul and papasok tayo. So you can see kanina I took a video of the facade. Apparently there was a typhoon tapos nasunog. That's why nasunog most of the infrastructure. So inside, ayan, yan yung facade ulit. Yun na lang talaga natira. And then they built this structure over here. Ano siya dapat? So, this is the ruins. Pababa na nga kami kasi kanina dun kami sa backside. Basta back alley kami umakyat. So that's a really good travel hack.
Diba, yung bus, nag-stop siya sa Sofitel.
Tapos from there, onti na lang, like 10 minutes walk. Yeah. Pero kasi nag-lunch pa kami.
Pero at least, manggaling ka sa taas.
Pababa. Whereas, dito ka sa front, madami din magandang photo op dun sa likod. True. Now we're heading to Senado Square. Yeah. Oo nga eh.
Asay ko lang, wala siya asay lang, asay ko.
We have reached Senado Square. Ito yung square. Ang dami dito shops, mostly branded pa din. May Watsons. Gusto mo ba tumingin? Okay.
Ay, yung shampoo.
Oh, ayan. Later.
Thank you.
Alam mo, mag-voice over na lang siguro ako, guys. Senado Square. Guys, update. Hindi kami egg tart because cash only, Macau currency only. Hindi din sila na-accept ng Hong Kong dollars. Wala kaming ganun. It's a pass for us. Oh well. Now we're just heading to the Venetian, Parisian side of Macau. Hanapin namin bus. Okay. Talk to you later. Hi vlog, after so many miniature stressful moments. Kasi basta wag kayong pupunta dito na wala kayong
Macau
currency.
Or HK coins.
Yes. Also,
Dapat may barya.
also, GCash with Alipay doesn't work on the bus. As we so learned.
lang doon.
Diba hindi kami marunong. Also, hindi rin nag-work yung Visa cards namin. Hindi rin daw pwede. Pro tip. Anyway, eto na. Eto na, napunta na namin. Mapunta kaming Hogwarts.
Londoner.
Kasi mag-ano na lang kami, papa-enroll na lang kami. Tapos tabi pala niya yung Eiffel Tower. There you go. Eiffel Tower na may donkey. Okay. Guys, after all that, sarado. Ayan dapat yung escalator, dun ka dapat. Tapos ginagawa sila. So, walang tao. Yep. Okay. Guys, ayun na. Kami ay pabalik na ng Hong Kong. Kasi nasara naman yung... Anyway, tingnan naman namin yung sites. We saw it. We appreciated. We're going back. Bye! Hi guys, I'm ending my vlog here. Outro. Sa airport na kami. Having our breakfast. Before.
It's 7 a.m.
So, Jason has a dumpling soup.
Korean in Hong Kong.
And I got Western. This is a salmon egg croissant from Gordon Ramsay's. And coffee, of course. Ayun. So, ito na outro ko for the vlog. I think the trip ends here. Hello vlog. So this is the actual outro, I guess. Grace already went to her boarding gate and I am just coming out from buying extra pasalubong kasi may natira pa dun sa octopus card namin. So inubos ko na lang. Anyway, I am gonna be heading to my own boarding gate now. And I guess that concludes our Hong Kong Macau trip. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever I was able to put out there. Ano kasi, medyo nakakapagod siya guys. But it's not like a bad pack.